What we have heard so far about EMPD Deputy Chief Brigadier Julius Mkhwanazi is definitely very scary. There are serious allegations of various crimes committed, from being on the payroll of dangerous criminal syndicates, including murder. General Dumisani Kumalo, head of crime intelligence, and other senior officials of the Ekurhuleni Metropolitan Municipality painted a very disturbing and dangerous picture of the Deputy Chief of EMPD, Julius Mkhwanazi, as a criminal in police uniform. We cannot understand why it took years for the municipality to suspend Brigadier Julius Mkhwanazi. Instead of taking action against him, he was defended and protected by senior officials with political power in the municipality. We call upon the criminal justice system, the police, and the NPA to arrest Brigadier Julius Mkhwanazi and charge him criminally. Let him go to the court and prove his innocence.
Bopha Mkhwanazi, bopha zonke.